What's up guys, Kalina here. Welcome to my channel. I hope you're having a fantastic day so far. I'm super excited about today's video because I'm doing my Boxyluxe unboxing for the month of March. This bad boy right here. And it's so crazy to me because it's already March and I just feel like we just entered the new year. But it's exciting because spring is just around the corner. It's literally days away. And I'm super excited about that. So if you don't know what BoxyCharm is, it is a monthly beauty subscription box that is $21 a month. But the value of the box is well over $100. But last year, seasonally, they started to do an upgraded box, which is Boxyluxe. And it's an additional $28.99 on top of your $21. So you're paying $49.99 for a deluxe box. And the value is supposed to be over $250. But if I'm remembering correctly, in December it was well over $300. So I'm excited to jump into today's box. But if you want to know more about BoxyCharm, I will leave them linked in the description box down below so you can check them out for yourself and see if you want to jump on board. But let's just jump right on in the box. I'm super excited about this. So let's just open her right on up. And right on top is the card, just like usual. One side has the theme on it and the other side has all the information on all the products in the box. The theme this month is La Vie en Rose, which is beautiful. This reminds me of the Louis Armstrong song, La Vie en Rose, if you know that one. So let's just jump into the box then. So the first product I see right on top is a bag, I guess. And it's wrapped up, so let's unwrap her. So there's little papers all over it. Ooh, it's like holographic. And I don't have a makeup bag that's this size. I just have kind of longer ones. But here's this guy. It's really beautiful. It's like a copper with like a holographic shift to it. Oh, okay, and then on the inside it says BoxyCharm just on the top, and then there's no pockets, just this one giant pocket on the inside. And I'm about to travel, so definitely gonna put my makeup in here. And this retails for $20. Next thing I'm gonna grab is this guy. This is, oh, they're lily lashes. These are limited edition lashes, the faux mink in the style Gaia. I think that's how you would pronounce it. It looks just like this. They're nice and fluffy, I guess. I like never wear lashes, so I don't know. But it says these retail for $24.99. Next up in the box, I see, oh, this is a Becca Ultimate Lipstick. Oh no, I think I got a red. It says I got the shade Crimson on top. So let me open her up and just double check. But this says moisturizing 8-hour long wearing silky satin lip color infused with the next generation of a hyaluronic acid. Okay, so it's supposed to be really hydrating. I did get a, ooh, girl. Oh, it's magnetic. Wait a minute. Okay, kind of cool. This guy retails for $24. Alright, next up in the box is from Iconic London. This says it's the eyebrow cushion. Packaging's very reflective, very bright. It's like a gold, almost a rose gold. Okay, so it comes with like a little mirror in there. And then it comes with a little tool. I think it's, okay, so it's like double-sided. It comes with a little like spoolie on one end and then a like an angled brush on the other. Oh, there's a little peel thing. Let's open her up. Okay. It smells like paint. Alright, so there's the cushion, and I got the shade medium, so I'm assuming there's other shades there. Let's see what it says. So to give your brows the wow they deserve with the Sculpt and Boost eyebrow cushion. So this retails for $40. Okay. Next up in the box is this guy. Gorgeous packaging. This is from Wander Beauty. This is the Lift Off Purifying and Brightening Peel Off Mask. Oh, okay. It says containing a blend of skin-loving acai, goji berry, blueberry, lychee, mangosteen, and green tea leaf extracts. The Wander Beauty Lift Off Purifying and Brightening Peel Off Mask instantly purifies and replenishes dull skin. Okay, I definitely need that. And this retails for $34. Next in the box, it looks like a brush duo. This is from the brand Moda. Let's see. Oh, okay, cute. Let's take them out of here. They're super soft. I love getting brushes in the boxes. So there they are. There's a powder brush and then a soft glow brush, which is like, this one's like really thin and kind of floppy. This one's like really nice and fat. It's gonna be really good for just powder like all over the face. I'm not in focus anymore. Hello, there we are. And these retail for $29.99. That's a lot for a duo, I think. Okay, so next up in the box is this. They look like nail polishes. This is from the brand Deborah Lippmann. That sounds really familiar. I feel like we've gotten these in the past before. There's two different colors. I got the shades Oh Donna and Modern Love. It says they'll give you the effects of gel nail polish without the damage, which is great. Haven't on nail polish in a long time. I feel like we've gotten this in the past though, and I feel like if I remember correctly, I didn't like them very much, but I'll definitely try them out. I just painted when I was white, so I'll have to wait and see, or I'll just like paint my toes and we'll figure it out that way. But these retail for $20. Alright, next up, I saw this on Instagram. This is from the brand It Cosmetics. This is the Confidence in a Cream Transforming Moisturizing Super Cream. Okay, I've heard lots of stuff about this. Oh wow, this is friggin' heavy. Okay. Developed with plastic surgeons, Confidence in a Cream is your new #1 anti-aging moisturizer. Okay. Perfect for all skin types, even the most sensitive. This is quite absorbing, super cream. This guy retails for $48. So that's basically the box itself. Next up in the box is a palette from Morphe. This is the 15B Brunch Babe. I don't think I've seen this palette before. Let's just see how it is. This is a 15 shade artistry palette. So let's open it up. Oh dear, okay. The big mirror on top and oh dear, okay. Alright, here are all the shades. It's very, I would say, in the element of this box, pretty in pink kind of vibe. I like that there's a black. This palette retails for $16. On to the last thing in the box. It looks like another palette. This is from the brand Color FX, and this is the Perfector Face Palette. I got in the shade Medium Deep. Let's see about that. Okay, so there's a mirror on top again, just like the Morphe palette, which is very nice. Looks a little bit dark for me, especially this shade, but it comes with 2 highlighters, a contour shade, a finishing powder, a blush, and a brightener. They all look beautiful. So let's see. This retails for $45. Okay. Okay, so that was it for all the products in this month's box, and I was able to fit them all in this little travel makeup case we got at the beginning, and there's still a bunch more room in there to spare, which is really exciting because I'm traveling, like I said in the beginning, in a couple weeks, so I'm definitely going to be bringing this with me. Okay, so first thing I'm going to try is the face mask, obviously, because you got to do a mask before you do makeup or anything. So I'm going to tie my hair back and apply this. So it says smooth on an even layer all over face, avoiding the eye area. Wait 10 to 15 minutes for the mask to completely dry and slowly peel off from the edges. Okay, perfect. I feel like a rose gold tin man. I'll wait about 15 minutes and then come back and I'll peel this off with you guys. Okay, so as you saw, I just peeled off the mask. Gotta say, it wasn't the most pleasant experience, but I mean, what peel off mask is. My skin does feel really smooth. Next, I'm gonna use the It Cosmetics Confidence in a Cream as my moisturizer. So I'm just gonna take what's on the lid. Okay, that smells so much better than the mask. It smells like lemon and I don't know, something. It smells good though. I'm gonna apply some foundation and concealer real quick, and then I'll come back to you to use the face palette from Cover FX that I got. Okay, so I did my base like I normally do, just foundation, concealer, powder, and then I set it with my Morphe setting spray. But And now next, I usually jump to my eyes, but I'm gonna jump to my face first. And we're gonna use this palette from Cover FX. I feel like it's gonna be a little bit dark for me, but you know, let's just see how it goes. So I'm gonna tap it off a lot, quite a lot. It looks so dark. Okay, let's see. Honestly, it's not that bad. On camera, it looks a lot more intense, I guess. Not bad. I mean, yeah, it looks darker on camera for sure, but this is Rolly. You remember Rolly, I'm sure, if you've seen one of my other videos. Okay, contour is on. I'm gonna go into this blush shade in the palette, and I'm gonna use the, did you just move? I'm gonna use the powder brush from the Moda Duo we got. So I'm gonna dip into there and really just kind of tap it off because it looks quite pigmented. And then I'm just gonna stipple that onto the apples of my cheeks. Like that blush, I applied a bit too much of it, so I did go over it with my sponge. But now I'm gonna highlight. So with the same palette, I don't know, it comes with two different ones on each side. I don't know which one to use, so I'm just gonna go in with both. I'm gonna go first in with Twilight, which is on the left side. With the other highlighter, which is called Heavenly. Okay, I can't use this brush. I'm gonna try out the brightener, this top shade right here, and see how that is like underneath the brow bone. I really do like this palette, and I'm very excited about the box. The next product we're going to try is the Iconic London eyebrow cushion. I don't typically do my eyebrows, I fill them in, but I figured I could tip in like the spoolie into the product and then kind of use it as like a tinted eyebrow gel. See how that goes. I'm just going to kind of mix the two on the spoolie and we'll see how that goes. But I'm going to zoom you in so you can see more. Okay, yeah, definitely a thumbs up for me for this one. Alright y'all, so next up is some eyeshadow. It has a really nice romantic kind of vibe. Like you do like a pink like and brown smoky eye. So I'm just gonna go through the motions and I'm just gonna speed this part up so it's not, we don't take forever. Okay, so these are the eyes all completed. I threw in some mascara. I put black eyeliner in my tight line and then a gold eyeliner in my waterline just to kind of open up my eyes. But I really like this palette. I tried to go with something super simple because I know what lipstick I'm using. But this pink shade was just calling me, so I just popped it on the inner corner. Once I wet it down a little bit, it was like super metallic, so I really love that. But yeah, I love this palette. I have one more product to use from the box, the Becca lipstick. And this is in the shade Crimson. I don't know if I said that before, but it's this bright red. So let's pop that one on real quick. So I actually really like it. The color, I'm not 100% on, just because it reminds me of stage makeup from when I was younger. But the formula is so nice. It's very creamy, very hydrating. I definitely want to try it out in some different colors and like play around with it, but the formula is amazing. It's very comfortable. I really like it. Alright, so that is all for this month's box. The only things I didn't use were the nail polish and the eyelashes, just because the eyelashes I don't typically use, so I might pass them on to a friend. And then the nail polish I'll have to try another day because I already have nail polish on. But I did add everything up from the box this month, and the total came to $301.98. So just over $300, and you only pay $49.99. I think that is such a deal. 10 out of 10, would definitely recommend. So check the link in the description box if you want to check out the box charm for yourself. But that is all for today's video. What did you think? I really liked this month's box. I'm very happy with everything that I got. If you liked this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. But that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!